The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and I want to say this. To each and everyone out there, if at some point in life you find yourself in somewhat of an argument or a dispute or somewhat of a disagreement with someone, please talk out the differences. Try and see if you can work out each other's differences in a peaceful way. Do not fight. Do not turn to violence, you see me, because fighting and violence and crime and those things really do not pay. You understand? Now, I'm saying this because of a video that I'm about to present to you, and yes, this video is out on social media. Now, according to some of the things that have been said about this video on social media, and according to some of the things that have been said in this video that I am about to present to you, I get the understanding that this video shows when persons within a place that is known as Rema, that is of Kingston, Jamaica, throw bottles and other objects at each other. You understand? And when I say persons throwing bottles at each other, viewers and subscribers, I'm not talking about plastic bottles. I'm talking about glass bottles. You see me? And other objects as well. You see me? This video shows persons on one side and persons on another side, and they are throwing these objects at each other, trying to hurt each other with these objects. You understand? Now, some comments have been made about this video on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that this video shows females throwing bottles at each other. Now, to my understanding by looking at this video and my opinion and point of view by looking at this video, I cannot say yes, this video shows only females throwing bottles at each other. You understand? Because some of the times the video will show you one part and you might not know what's going on over here when the video is showing here. So I'm telling you what I think. You understand? But however, I do not have any information as to when this incident happened. And this video shows when members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force arrived at the scene of the incident and tried to bring order, or you could say try to stop what was going on with this throwing of objects thing, you see me? And in this video you're going to hear shots fired, and you might see other things as well that I did not just explain to you. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, the reason why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is out on social media and it's being talked about on social media. It's getting a buzz on social media, and you don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, I'm going to present this video to you right about now, and this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Watch it now. What's the man chop you? What's it come back?
Sauda. Come on, can I say backcraft thing? I'm a boss here, you know. busting her. Busting her hand, you know. Busting her hand. Boy. See a Rema people there, missus. What's a batty boy here? Hey boy, come out of the woman them war. Let Rema people go free like that. Better than nothing. Better than nothing. Jano star, you are done, dog. You are done, dog. And the police girl, you are bad people. Bad people, police. I mean, bad people, police can fire shot in the air like bad man. Boom, boom, hey, leg up. Boom, leg up. Bumbuckler them just come down the war, so I'm been in a dog.
Again, I'm going to say this, viewers and subscribers, you know, to each and everyone out there. If at some point in life you find yourself in somewhat of an argument with someone or disagreement, please try and work out your differences in the most peaceful way possible. I mean, you know, violence and crime don't pay, fighting each other doesn't pay. You understand? I mean, I'm looking at this video and I see where a lot of persons could have got hurt. You understand? I mean, persons passing by could get hurt, is what I'm saying to you, and things could get really out of hand. You understand me? Yeah, and you know, I only want to see the best for each and every one. You understand me? And I only hope that what I'm saying will reach out there and, you know, they'll think about what I'm saying. Alright? Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one. And here's where I'm going to leave it. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.